Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a falling wedge pattern, PEPE was testing a critical support of 105. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my last successful trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 8th of July 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal godly pattern that PEPE formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Within few moments, you will be able to watch this move. You can see that the price then rallied beyond the sell target zone, and before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move that was formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line slightly moved down than the potential reversals on. Then we had a very, very powerful pump that was, by the way, almost 28% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea on 28th of June 2023. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal godly pattern on 24th of June that was also formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started another very, very massive price reversal from this buying zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of PEPE, and this is the daily time frame chart. And we can see that previously Pepe broke out the resistance of this down channel. We had almost 130% pump where the price end could not break out this long-term resistance of 190. And you can see we had rejection here. We had another rejection here. And by the way, before that here, in the month of May 2023, it has been working as a very strong resistance or rejection point for the price. And therefore, again, it worked as a strong resistance for the price, and the price end formed another falling wedge pattern. And during this move to the downside, the price end also broken down a very significant support zone that starts from 136 and goes to 146. And previously, this level has been working as a support zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and support here. And after breaking it down, you can see it is flipped into a very strong resistance zone. We got rejection here. And when the price then entered inside this resistance zone here on 14th of August, we had a very strong rejection, and the price then dropped down and formed this bottom here and likely to form another double bottom here after this drop at this long-term support of 105 that has been previously working as a support here, resistance here, support here, and now it is again working as a support. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance or this rejection point, you can see after the break, after this first formation of the first bottom, the price and got rejected by this rejection point that we have approximately at 114, and again drop down. If it will break it out, then I'm expecting that it can turn very strong bullish, and it can even try to break out this resistance zone that starts from 136 to 146. However, if this support zone will be broken down, then there is another support that is not as that much powerful like we have at 105, that is here at 10. Previously, this level has been working as a support here. You can see when the price and tried to move up from here, and it got rejected by this 10 resistance level, and here it was working as a support, and here again recently it worked as a support. And there is also a bullish divergence signal, a double bullish divergence signal flash. Like we can see that the price line formed this low here, and the next low is lower than the previous one here. And at the same time, stochastic formed this low here and formed the next low higher than the previous one. And even RSI oscillator also formed higher low than the previous low. Therefore, we had a slight bounce after this spike, but the price line is again dropped down at this support. I'm expecting that this bullish divergence can still work, and the price line can start another reversal from here. Once Pepe starts the reversal move from here, then the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 190. And the target for this breakout from this down channel is here at 210. And there is also an inverse head and shoulder pattern formation on this daily time frame chart as well. This is the left shoulder, this is head, and this is the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. If the price line breaks out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder, the neckline is here at 190. Then after the breakout, the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately at $0.000044. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.